Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Anthony. Welcome to the video. Today I'm gonna be going ahead and showing you guys exactly how to make a full-time income through Instagram. Now today is Friday, so I'll be announcing the winner of the free consultation call at the end of this video. If you want to go ahead and enter for Monday's free consultation call giveaway, then all you have to do is leave a comment on this video, and every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday I randomly pick a comment to win and I announce it on video. Now when I was first getting started and I was growing Instagram pages, I was having a really hard time trying to go ahead and monetize. And you know, every single person I invested to, all these big gurus and influencers, they love to say that shoutouts are the best way to monetize their pages. They love to say that shoutouts are how they make all their money on Instagram, and that you need this large and successful page to go ahead and be able to do these shoutouts. And then they convince you that, you know, taking a long time to grow is normal. Like, yeah, it's normal to take years to grow on Instagram, and it's normal for you to, you know, monetize with $20 shoutouts here and $20 shoutouts there. You know, through looking at all these guys and through looking at what all they actually do, and I'm like, you know, how come these guys don't use shoutouts for themselves? I barely see these guys push shoutouts. Like, these guys are really making an income when I see them do, like, you know, one shoutout a week, a few shoutouts a month. I was so confused and I was pissed. I was like, you know, like, how come they're lying? It's just obvious that they're lying, because there's no way they're making that much money off a few shoutouts, letting them live the lifestyle that they live. But that's what they love to tell you. They love to tell you that growing an account is supposed to take long, and they love to tell you that you need a big account to monetize your Instagram, and that the best way to monetize is through shoutouts, when in reality, shoutouts are the least profitable. So what I'm about to share with you guys is exactly how you can actually make a full-time income through Instagram without doing stupid shoutouts. This method for monetization is exactly how I was able to open up my first stream of income through Instagram, and it's exactly what I used to go ahead and be able to quit my job to pursue Instagram full-time. So give this video a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and let's go. So there are many ways to go ahead and monetize Instagram. On this video, I'm going to show you 3 ways that tie all in together that will go ahead and enable you to make a full-time income. Again, this is exactly what I did. So the best, easiest way to go ahead and start instantly basically making money through Instagram is to build and sell pages. Instagram accounts go for a lot of money. Your average 100K account could go for between $1,000 to like up to $4,000, even higher depending on who your buyer is. Not many people know about this, but it is really big business. Companies want Instagram pages. Private investors want Instagram pages. There are big people in this industry that want to be able to own a piece of Instagram real estate. To be able to have the skills to build pages big, there's going to be people who are going to want to buy those pages from you. So while you're building and selling your pages, you can make a lot of money doing that alone. But there's 2 other ways that tie into this, and through doing just this one thing of building and selling pages, you can take it from, you know, take an account from 0 to 100K and making a few thousand, to taking an account from 0, growing it, profiting all the way up, and then selling the account at the end. Now, the way how you do this is through growing your account. You are going to get leads. People are going to ask you, how are you growing so fast? How are you ranking pictures on your Explore page? How do you have a few thousand followers, but your picture here gets 20,000 likes? These are leads. These are not just random messages. They need to be treated as leads. These guys are willing to pay you to teach them, to learn this stuff. So as you grow your page, you can go ahead and you can start actually closing these guys on consulting calls. Now, it's a lot easier to close these guys than you think. Since they approached you and they saw your results, they just go ahead and convert like crazy. You don't need to be good at sales, and you don't need to push a sale hard. Half the time, they're going to be pushing the sale on you because they are desperate to learn. So now you're monetizing through growing this page and selling it. While you're growing this page, you get leads, and you're gonna go ahead and close those leads on consulting calls. So now, instead of just having this end profit, you can consult call, sell and profit. Now, for most people, this is already pretty advanced, but now what I'm about to share with you is the difference from going ahead and making a few $1,000s per month and turning this into a 6-figure business. Have you guys ever been through a fast food drive-thru before? If you have, then you know that when you order something, typically the worker asks you, would you like a drink with that? This is called an upsell, right? If you go to McDonald's and you order 2 double cheeseburgers, then the worker usually asks, you know, would you like a drink? Would you like chicken nuggets? Would you like this? Would you like that? These are upsells. You should be using upsells in your own business. This is what makes you a ton more money. So when you're growing your page and you're getting these consulting calls, on these consulting calls, you should be upselling further. You should be offering them account management. You could sell them on the consulting call, get that initial payment, and then on the consulting call, you sell them on you going ahead and managing managing their account. And now what you have done is you created a monthly revenue stream that comes in every single month. It gives you predictable income, and now you actually have a tangible business. You actually have something of an agency. And then at the end of it all, you sell your account and you get the profit. So most people who are smart, they go ahead and they build an account and they sell the account, and they sell this account and they make a few $1,000s. The people who are smarter, they build these accounts, and when leads come in, they sell them on consulting calls. And the people who are really smart and actually aren't lazy and want to go ahead and win at this game, they go ahead and they start growing an account from zero. They close leads on consulting calls and they upsell those leads on account management, and now they have monthly income coming in. Now they have predictable income coming in every single month, putting them in the position where they can quit their job, they can walk away from something if they want to, and at the end they sell off for a nice profit. Then you rinse and repeat. You grow another account, take it 0 to 100K, consulting call, account management, sell, boom, rinse and repeat. That is literally how you make a full-time income on Instagram. This is my absolute favorite way. This is what I did. Like if someone said, like, Anthony, what's the best way to monetize Instagram? Grow pages. Your leads are gonna come in naturally. You don't even have to go get them. Consulting calls, upsell on account management, boom, 6-figure business easy once you get a few clients. The real money is going to go ahead and come from the clients. You close 10 clients at $1,000 a month. Now you have 10K coming in. The consulting calls and selling the account at the end are just bonuses. You do not make a full-time income on Instagram through having a 100K, 200K, or even 300K page and selling shoutouts. If somebody's telling you that, I'm here to tell you that they are complete bullshit and you should just stop watching them. Shout out to the winner of the free consultation call. I'll throw your comment up here. Go ahead and email me at support@viralvenom.com. I'll also leave that email in the description of this video. If you guys took a ton of value out of this, please go ahead and give this video a like. Make sure you subscribe to the channel because I put out videos like this daily, helping you guys to grow your Instagram, monetize your Instagram, and everything in between. If you want to enter for Monday's giveaway, make sure you go ahead and leave a comment on this video. Keep grinding, keep hustling, and I'll see you all on the next video.